Cheap NFTs. For those who are interested in NFTs, it's important to know as much as possible about them. It appears that thousands of new projects are launched every day, and there are millions of NFTs available for sale. Thus, the question arises as to how one can sort through all the noise and determine which NFT projects to follow and potentially invest in. Well, today we're going to tell you the 5 cheapest NFTs that you should invest in. So watch this video till the end. Hey everyone, welcome to Nft Explained for Beginners, a perfect channel for everything about NFTs. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Having said that, now let's get started. Well, first off, all of these NFTs are on Solana. But why Solana? Well, it is true that most of the NFT projects are hosted on the Ethereum blockchain. However, it comes with a few drawbacks. It includes slow transaction speeds, low scalability, and of course, the most common complaint of collectors as well as creators, the high fees for gas. Because of this, users are moving to other blockchain technologies such as Solana, which has emerged as a leading competitor to Ethereum. Here are a couple of reasons why this is happening. The first reason for this is that Solana can do more transactions per unit of time than Ethereum, in comparison to Solana, which can perform 65,000 transactions per second. Ethereum can only perform 13 transactions per second. Furthermore, the gas fees for the former is slightly lower. It only costs an average of $0.00025 per transaction. Furthermore, unlike Ethereum, Solana is also powered by a proof-of-stake model or POS that uses a far more energy-efficient model than Ethereum. It's estimated that a single transaction on the blockchain consumes about as much energy as 2 Google searches, according to Yahoo. Ethereum, on the other hand, which uses the proof-of-work or POW protocol, uses the equivalent amount of energy as that of a US household for the duration of 6.88 days. Therefore, it's not surprising that the usage of the Solana blockchain is growing at an exponential pace. As a matter of fact, Sol's value has risen by about 10,630% year to date. Well, now that you know why Solana is better than Ethereum, let's talk about our 5 cheap NFTs. Number 1. Boryoku Dragons. Boryoku Dragons is an exclusive collection of 1,111 dragons, NFTs on Solana that earn passive income from its holders in the form of Boku, cryptocurrency, based on the earnings of each dragon. The NFT collection is different from most other collections because it offers unique utilities to holders, including daily airdrops, a breeding game, and a token burning mechanic, among others. For each dragon owned by a Boryoku Dragon NFT holder, they receive 7 Boku tokens daily. Since the Boku is currently worth around $4.50 per token, holders are currently making $31.50 per dragon every day. Currently owning a Boryoku Dragon would earn you over $11,000 a year passively if the price of Boku remained the same. And by holding 1 Boryoku Dragon NFT, you would earn $138.32 per day and over $50,000 a year if the Boku token returns to its all-time high price of $19.76. Additionally, the Boku token can be used for breeding and hatching baby dragons. A dragon egg can be generated by breeding 2 Boryoku dragons and some Boku, and its hatching can be accelerated by using 350 Boku. The Boryoku Dragons team says that the Boku token's governance is being modeled using economic theory and statistical modeling, along with simulations that attempt to find balance between supply and demand, as part of their plan to transform Boryoku Village into a Boryoku-verse reality. Boryoku Dragons has acquired land in the metaverse game The Sandbox. On Magic Eden, you can purchase a Boryoku Dragon. The current floor price is 148 Sol. Now, number 2. Lotus Gang. On the Solana blockchain is the Lotus Gang, a collective of 2,000 Lotus lads and 2,000 Lotus ladies sporting Asian-inspired attire. In creating the project, the team has drawn inspiration from CryptoPunks and Solana Monkey business, while at the same time adding Asian-inspired characteristics to the characters. There are 2 main goals of Lotus Gang: to create tools and resources for investors navigating the crypto and NFT space more efficiently, and to help build a community around the project. Lotus Gang NFTs are hand-painted and come with accessories like chains, helmets, scouters, and Asian-inspired clothing such as saris, sherwanis, bangras, thigh crowns, and samurai armor. As part of the mint event, Lotus Gang gives 10% of the proceeds generated from the event to charity. the Lotus Gang has given a donation to the United Six, one of the first charities that have been given money by the team. As part of their community focus, Lotus Gang has published guides on the NFT ecosystem and operational security, that's OPSEC, to help crypto investors protect themselves from cyber criminals. There is a lot of interest in Lotus Gang from investors who are interested in investing in a new, upstart NFT community with charitable aspirations. Lotus Lads and Lotus Ladies are among the more affordable NFT projects that have been listed on this page. If you're interested in buying a Lotus Gang NFT, you can buy it on Magic Eden. The current floor price for Lotus Gang NFTs is 0.59 Sol. Number 3. Arori. One of the most anticipated NFT games on Solana is Arori, a play-to-earn game where you can earn cash as you play. It's a Japanese RPG game that has both PvE and PvP modes where players are able to use their NFTs to fight for victory. The play-to-earn model that Arori uses is the same model that Axie Infinity or Axis uses, as players battle for NFTs and Ori tokens. They can use them to buy items and provide themselves with a greater chance of success in the game. The investment is backed by big names in the business, including Solana and Alameda Research. Also, the team welcomed a number of new members with many years of experience in developing AAA games to the team. The successful IDO organized by Arori was the largest IDO on Solana. At the price of US dollars 15.54 for each token, it was able to raise over $108 million in funds. In addition to helping raise funds for the game development, the successful IDO demonstrated that the community is thoroughly supportive of the community itself. Number 4. The Billionaire Whales Club. The Billionaire Whales Club, or BWC, is a collection of 5,000 algorithmically generated whales living on the Solana blockchain, which features over 100 unique traits with varying rarities. You can use your whale NFT as a membership card for the BWC, and this card grants you access to members-only benefits. It's no secret that BWC appreciates its early supporters. This means early supporters have a great chance of minting. Additionally, the mint price is fixed at 0.2 Sol. Now, last but not least, number 5, the Corrupt Cats. Corrupt Cats is a collection of NFTs. Essentially, it's a collection of digital artwork stored on a blockchain. Irrespective of the country, Corrupt Cats hails from every corner of the earth, a special species of 10,000 felines, all possessing unique personalities. When you adopt one of these cats, you'll soon find out that these are not your average furry companions. The company's team described themselves as a group of entrepreneurs, designers, and developers, brought together by a shared passion for our favorite furry friends and the desire to use the crypto space as a tool for good. An employee of the company recently lost their cat, Caesar, and the company wanted to show their appreciation by using the cat as their inspiration for the design of the base cat. As cat owners, they aspire to offer support to the community by donating to charities and not-for-profits that we all know can make a significant impact to ensure stray cats have a home. Their goal is to dedicate 20% of their royalties to cat charities in order to accomplish this goal. In terms of this project, the most exciting part is the fact that they will put the views of the 18,000 plus strong worldwide community at the forefront of their donation decisions. By doing so, it will ensure that the charities and NFPs making the most impact on smaller scales don't get overlooked. In particular, this model from the Solana-based collection Corrupt Cats offers a great deal of promise as it is gradually increasing in price, and it is also considered somewhat unusual, at least for the present price, thanks to its background, clothing, color, and other valuable attributes. It's noteworthy that the mask is an important part of the legacy of the COVID era, which is something that not many of the Corrupt Cats possess. It should also be noted that anyone holding 2 of these can mint a fresh crypto kitten in Q1 2022. All in all, it's a great investment since it's priced at only 2 Sol. Well, that's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, subscribe for more such content.